Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Evernote ads and unwanted email notifications. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to evernote.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Evernote account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your main dashboard where you can access all your notes and settings. Now, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your account name displayed there. Click on your name to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Info. This will open up your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Evernote experience. After the Account Info page loads, you'll need to scroll down through the different settings sections. Keep scrolling until you locate the section labeled Email and Notification Preferences. This is where Evernote controls all the communications it sends to you, including promotional emails and various notifications. Right beside this section heading, you'll notice an Edit button. Click on it to access the full list of notification options. Once you click Edit, a new window or section will appear showing you all the different email and notification preferences that Evernote offers. You'll see several checkboxes for various types of communications. These include options like Evernote News, Tips and Stories, monthly newsletters, business news, surveys which are sent once every several months, shared content I receive, and include Get Evernote information when I email notes. Each of these checkboxes represents a different type of email or notification that Evernote might send to your inbox. Now here's where you take control of your inbox. Simply go through the list and uncheck the boxes for any notifications you want to disable. If you want to stop all promotional emails and ads, you can uncheck all of them. If you only want to stop certain types of communications while keeping others, just uncheck the specific ones that bother you. This gives you complete flexibility over what Evernote sends to your email address. After you've unchecked all the boxes you want to disable, look toward the bottom right of the window. You'll see a button that says Save Changes. Click on this button to apply your new preferences. This ensures that your settings are updated in Evernote's system and you'll stop receiving those unwanted emails and notifications going forward. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Evernote ads and unwanted notifications from cluttering your inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.